We're all taught this one thing: climb the corporate ladder, get a bigger salary, and that's how you build wealth. But let's be honest, your day job is probably never going to make you a millionaire. Why? Because your income is capped. The real path to wealth doesn't come from a bigger paycheck. It comes from mastering a totally different set of tools, what we call high-value leverage skills.
Okay, I want you to just pause for a second and really answer this question. If that one paycheck, the one you rely on, just vanished tomorrow, what would happen? For most people, the answer is, well, it's a pretty terrifying silence, isn't it? That silence is a huge, and honestly, an unnecessary risk in your financial life.
Think about it this way. Relying on a single salary is like building your entire house on just one pillar. Sure, it feels stable on a good day, but what happens when one crack appears? One layoff, one bad recession, and the whole thing can come crashing down. That is the definition of a single point of failure.
Now, let's flip that idea on its head. You've got that single pillar, now compare it to this. The IRS tells us that the average millionaire has 7 different income streams. 7. See, they're not just working harder at their one job, they're building a financial fortress by using leverage, making sure money is flowing in from all different directions.
So how do you get from that one pillar to 7 streams? Well, the answer is by developing what we call leverage skills. And these aren't just any old abilities. These are the skills that solve really expensive problems for businesses. When you can save a company a ton of time, slash their costs, or boost their profits, suddenly your earning potential isn't capped anymore.
And this leads to a whole new way of thinking. I want you to start thinking about a modern career portfolio. Stop thinking about having just one job. Start thinking about owning a collection of high-value skills that you can deploy in different ways, creating multiple income streams that you control.
So here they are, the big 4. First up, AI operations. This isn't just about playing with AI, it's about using it to make companies way more efficient. Second, we have persuasion and sales. This is the timeless art of getting people to say yes. Third, data interpretation. This is a modern-day superpower, turning confusing numbers into smart, profitable decisions. And finally, my favorite, digital systems and media. This is where you build something once and get paid for it over and over and over again.
And that last one brings us to this incredible idea called permissionless leverage. This is where you create something, maybe an online course, an ebook, a piece of software, and it can sell thousands of times even while you're sleeping. You literally don't need anyone's permission to get a raise. You just create value for the world.
Let's just focus on persuasion for a second. It is absolutely wild how many people basically stop learning the day they graduate. They become unteachable. But the ones who keep studying human psychology, sales, and influence, they're the ones getting promoted. They're the ones closing the huge deals. And eventually, they're the ones leaving their jobs to become consultants who charge a fortune. Their income is tied to results, not the clock.
Okay, let's make this super practical right now. Think about your job. What is that one mind-numbing, repetitive task you have to do every single week? You know the one you just know a smart AI could do. Well, that task isn't just a chore, it's your first business idea. You could literally package that solution and sell it as a service.
All right, I can hear you already. 4 skills? That sounds like a lot. I barely have time to get my laundry done. Don't worry. We're not trying to do everything at once. We're going to use a really structured, totally manageable approach I call the 90-day skills sprint.
Here's the game plan, and it's so simple. You just pick one skill per quarter. That's it. So for the next 3 months, your entire focus is on persuasion. Then in Q2, you move on to AI. By the end of the year, you've systematically built this amazing portfolio of 4 skills, and you never had to feel overwhelmed.
And here's the absolute key to making this actually happen. Success doesn't come from some heroic burst of willpower. We all know that feeling fades, right? Real, lasting change comes from building a system that makes your progress feel almost automatic.
And here is that exact system. It's so simple. Step 1, pick your one skill for this quarter. 2, give it 90 days. 3, spend just 15 minutes a day learning. That's it. You can do that on your commute, on your lunch break. And the most important step of all, you have to schedule it. Put it in your calendar like it's a meeting with your boss. Because if it's not scheduled, it's not real.
So learning the skills, that's the tactical part. That's the what. But the real transformation, the thing that changes the entire game, is a deep shift in your identity. You have to stop seeing yourself as an employee and start thinking like a company of one.
See, an employee trades their time for dollars. That will always have a ceiling. But an owner, a company of one, builds assets like these skills that work for them. That creates uncapped potential. This is the big shift, from being a number on a spreadsheet to being the CEO of your own career.
And really, this gets to the heart of what this is all about. True wealth. It isn't just a number in your bank account. It's the number of options you have. The option to walk away from a job you hate. The option to work from a beach in another country. The option to never ever have to worry about a layoff again. It's about becoming the architect of your own time.
And if you remember one thing, let it be this: your house, your stocks, even your savings. A bad recession can damage all of that. But your skills, the ability to persuade, to build systems, to read data, that is the one asset that no one can ever take from you. And every single hour you invest in yourself compounds for the rest of your life.
So there you have it. We've talked about the why, we've laid out the how. The only question left is for you. Look at that list one more time. Persuasion, AI, data, or digital systems. Which one are you going to commit to for the next 90 days? Because the first step is knowing this stuff. But the second step, the one that really matters, is taking action.